Let me be very direct. Wholesaling real estate is legal in the United States, but a lot of people teaching it online are either oversimplifying it or completely ignoring the legal side. And that is dangerous, because if you cross a certain line, then you're no longer an investor. You're acting as an unlicensed real estate agent, and that could get you either fined, sued, or completely shut down. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to wholesale the right way in 2026 and beyond. Welcome back to the REI Edge. Here's what's actually happening in the market right now. People are posting deals they don't actually control, marketing properties they don't own, or acting like middlemen between buyers and sellers. And that isn't a strategy issue, it's a compliance issue. If you understand the next concept, you're ahead of most real estate wholesalers. You are not selling real estate. You're selling or assigning your equitable interest in a contract. The contract itself is your asset, not the house, not the land, but the contract. If you don't have a contract, you have nothing to assign or sell. And here's the line you cannot cross, and where people get into trouble. The moment that you market a property without a contract, say I have a house for sale when you don't actually own it, or connect buyers and sellers for a fee, you have just crossed into brokerage activities. And in most states, that requires a license. So here are the 4 legal pillars. If you want to stay safe and scale, you need to fully understand these 4 pillars. Pillar number 1 is equitable interest. In other words, you must control the contract. Pillar number 2 is assignment rights. You must have the right to transfer your position. Number 3 is full disclosure. You must be transparent about your intent. And lastly, pillar number 4, no brokerage activity. In other words, you cannot act as an agent without a license. If one of these is missing, your deal is completely exposed. This is where most beginners mess up. You need to clearly disclose that you're an investor, that you may assign the contract, and that you may profit from the deal. If you try to hide that, you're opening yourself up to legal risk. So let's also talk about the marketing rules, because your words matter. Instead of saying, I have a house for sale, say contract available for assignment. Instead of saying off-market deal, say equitable interest available. And this small shift can protect you legally. Now, if you're serious about this business, you need to choose the right structure. For example, assignment, it's simple and beginner friendly. Or a double close, it's more protection, especially in stricter states. Or a JV or partner model. This one is best for scaling, especially with licensed realtors. The structure determines your risk level. Now that you know that not all states treat wholesaling the same, states like Illinois, North Carolina, Texas, and even Oklahoma are tightening regulations fast. And you need to understand your local laws and adapt your strategy accordingly. There has been a shift and the game has completely changed. The old model was hustle, post deals, and assign contracts. The new model is compliance, systems, and professionalism. These are going to be the investors that win in 2026 and beyond. You need to operate like a real business. If you take anything away from this video, you need to take this. Control the contract, disclose everything, and don't act like a real estate agent. And when in doubt, structure the deal differently. If you want a breakdown of everything we've covered, I put together a free compliance workbook. Simply download it below or reach out to us for a free copy.